Marie, just a message from me, Heather's mom. And Leverage, Hewitt, Leverage. And I want to start over. Marie, just a message from me. Top of the morning, I say. I hope you'll be seen or wearing the green, like you all are, so I don't have to pinch you, because today's St. Patrick's Day. That's what I say to my family, of course, on the Ides of March, but I wanted to share it. That's the Celtic, now Scottish brogue. To a Mouse by Robert Burns on turning her up her nest with a plow in 1785. Wee, slinging calories, timorous beastie, oh, what a panic's in thy breastie. You needna start away so hasty with brick and brattle. I would be left to run and chase thee with murderous battle. I'm truly sorry, man's dominion has broken nature's social union and justifies that ill opinion that makes thee startled at me, thy poor earth-born companion and fellow mortal. I doubt not whiles, but thou may thieve. What then, poor beastie, thou might live? A dame, a nicker, and a thrace, a small request. I'll get a blessing with the lamb, and never miss it. Thy wee bit housey, too in ruins. 'Tis silly while the winds are strewing, and bleak December winds ensuing, they snell and keen. Thou saw the fields lie bare and waste, and weary winter coming fast, and cozy here beneath a blast thou thought to dwell, till crash, the cruel coulter passed out through thy cell. That widget, he believes in still as crossing Mario, weary no. Now thou's turned out for all thy trouble, the house are cold, the souls of winter's sleety dribble, crunch old. But now see thou art no delay, improving foresight, maybe vain. The best laid schemes of nice and in, gone out and lay, and leave us not grief and pain, promise joy. Still, thou art less compared with me. The present only touches thee, but out I backward cast my eye on prospects drear. I forward, though I cannot see, my best and dear. Back to Celtic. May the road rise to meet you, may the wind always be at your back, may the sun shine warm upon thy face, and the rain fall slow on your field.